Dips and relishes are the integral part of every cuisine. In India, we make it with a different way. Welcome to Nidhi's Creative Zone. Today I am going to share with you how you can prepare khatti meethi imli chutney or tamarind sauce. So without any further ado, let's start the recipe. Here I have taken 200 grams of imli or tamarind. You can find this into the Indian grocery store like that type of packet. Now add 1 cup of water. I am using normal water because I have to soak it for about 2 to 3 hours, but if you are in hurry, you can soak it into the warm water and soak it for about 10 to 15 minutes, and once it is done, then I will show you. Now here I have taken 100 gram of jaggery or gur. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of water into the jaggery so it will dissolve and become soft. It's been 2 hours and you will notice the tamarind is properly soaked into the water. Now use your hand to mash it. Basically we have to separate the pulp from the skin and from the seeds, as you have seen here, lots of skin and seeds. So you have to mash it, and once you have mashed it, take a separate bowl and a strainer on top of that, and then add the pulp into the strainer. The pulp is little thick, so add little water at a time and extract the pulp from this paste. And as you are extracting the pulp, you will notice the pulp is at the bottom of the strainer, so remove that pulp and then remove all the pulp, and at the end the threads and the seeds are remaining, so you have to throw that out and you will get this type of smooth tamarind pulp. The tamarind pulp is ready. Now set this pulp aside, and the jaggery is also dissolved, as you can see here. Set this aside. Now take a pan and add 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds or dhania, sabut dhania, and 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds or sauf, 10 to 15 black peppercorns or kali mirch, and you have to dry roast it for about a minute on low flame until it slightly change its color. And now once it has changed its color, remove it into the separate bowl and let it cool down. Into the same pan, add 1 tablespoon of any cooking oil and add 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. Let it crackle. Make sure the heat is on low flame at this point. Add 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Saute the dry ingredients for 30 seconds and then add the tamarind pulp. As you are adding the tamarind pulp, you will notice it is little thick, so add half cup of water and then give it a quick mix and take 1 boil on medium flame. After boiling, this is how it looks like. You will notice it is slightly thick. At this point, add the jaggery water, use the strainer, so if there is any impurities, it will came into the strainer, and add 100 grams of sugar. You can either add 200 grams of jaggery or 200 grams of sugar, both, and after adding the sugar, you will notice it became little liquidy, so no need to add the water. Now add 1 teaspoon of ginger powder. It will give a very nice taste to the recipe. 1 teaspoon of black salt, it will enhance the taste. 1 teaspoon of regular salt. Give it a quick mix and boil it for 2 to 3 minutes on medium flame. Now the whole masalas are also cooled down. Take a mortar and ground it into coarse powder. Set it aside. After 4 minutes, you will notice the white kind of froth are on the surface of this pulp. Collect on one side and remove it into the bowl, as this is the impurities and it has reduced the shelf life of the tamarind sauce or tamarind chutney. Once it is clean, as you have seen here, now add the roasted and coarsely ground powder that we have prepared. You can use garam masala if you don't want the chunk into your mouth, and then add melon seeds, cashews or raisins, whatever you have at home, and mix and boil for 1 minute. After 1 minute, this is the perfect consistency. At this point, switch off the gas and let it cool down completely. As it became cool down, it became more thick. Now, after cooling down, you will see the tamarind sauce or imli chutney is more thick. This is a perfect consistency. Now you can take a glass jar and store this tamarind chutney for 6 to 7 months. Cover the lid and store it into the refrigerator, and whenever you need it, remove it from the dry spoon. Enjoy this tamarind chutney or khatti meethi imli chutney with different dishes, with dahi vadas, with samosas and with puris also. If you like this easy recipe of tamarind khatti meethi chutney or tamarind sauce, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.